Today I will be showing you how to create an Instagram close friend list. If you find this useful, then please subscribing and leave a like. Thank you. First, we're gonna go to Instagram and you're gonna go to your profile page and you're gonna click on the three bar at the top right, and on the search bar you're gonna search for close friends, and my close friend list currently has one person. So if you want to add another person, then you click on the search bar, and let's say I want to add let's say this person. I can just hit done, and that's how you create a close friend list. This close friend list currently has 2 people. If you want to clear off these people, then you can just hit clear all, and that's how you done it. Thank you.